So let's apply appearances. Let's go here to appearance. Let's choose plastic. Let's go with medium gloss. And first we're going to start with the blue one. So let's select those faces here. Like this. You can also select on the feature manager design tree, but here we have some fillets that are also on the other side. And those one on the other side are not blue. So let's select those faces. Like this. Let's go to the other side. Let's choose here. Like this. And let's select those one here. Like this. And now we can go here and we can choose blue medium gloss plastic. Let's double click on this one. Like this. Now let's select this text here. Data Traveler. And let's select G4. Like this. Let's go with black medium gloss plastic. Like this. Now let's select 16 gigabytes. Like this. Let's go with red medium gloss plastic. Like this. Now let's select Boss Extrude 3. Let's select those faces. Like this. Let's go here. Let's select those one inside the letters and numbers. Like this. And let's select those on this side. Like this. Let's go here. Let's select this one here and this one here. As well, let's select those faces here. And those fillets. Let's go here. Let's select this one here. Those faces inside. Let's go to the other side. Those and those. And here, those fillets. And this hole inside as well. Like this. And we have those two faces here. Like this. And now we can go here and we can choose white medium gloss plastic. This one here. Like this. Now let's select Cut Extrude 1 here. Let's go with Cut Extrude 3. Let's select those fillets. Let's also select chamfer. Like this. Let's select those faces here. Those one here inside, like this. And this one. Let's go here. Let's go to this side. Those one and this one here. Like this. Let's go here. Let's select this fillet, this face, and this fillet. As well those faces here inside. Like this. Those faces. Those one. This one. And let's go here to this hole. Those faces. This one and those one here. Like this. Now let's go inside here and let's select this face also. This one. And now let's select this fillet also. We forgot about this one. And I think this is it. Now let's go here. Let's go to the metal. Let's choose a steel. Let's go with a polished steel. Like this. And now let's select this one. This is Boss Extrude 2. Let's go to the plastic again. Let's go with the medium gloss. Let's choose blue medium gloss plastic. This one. Like this. And our model is finished. So for this model, we only use 2 photographs. So we can go to Boss Extrude 1, Sketch Picture 1. And here on the Cut Extrude 1, we use Sketch Picture 2. And now we're going to render our model. To render our model, we have to turn on Photo View 360. So let's go to SOLIDWORKS Add-ins. If you don't have SOLIDWORKS Add-ins, you can right click and you can turn on here SOLIDWORKS Add-ins. So let's go to Photo View 360. Now we have here a tab Render Tools. Let's go to Render Tools and let's go with Preview Window. And now here we will go with Continue Without Camera or Perspective. So here in Preview Window, we can see that this looks pretty much good. So we can go with the Final Render. So let's go and let's click Final Render. And this is our final render. We can save this image. Let's call it USB. Let's choose destination. Let's first save it as a JPEG, like this. Let's save it. Now let's go and let's save it again. Let's call it USB. And now let's save it as a PNG. Let's save. Now let's exit. And let's see our pictures. So this is the final result of our USB memory stick modeling from photographs. This picture and this picture here.